Okay, you guys, we are home for lunch. This is a long overdue, like way overdue video. But I'm about to show y'all the formal area, tell y'all where I got everything from. And y'all, I'm tired. I was just wrestling in the mister. I'm tired. Comment below if you and your husband wrestle or your significant other. If y'all wrestling like silly, comment below. Cause I'm tired. I've been at work all day. He wanna wrestle. Anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, excuse the noise, y'all. No, I got on my work boots. Work boots. So excuse the noise. I was just wrestling with him because I told him I wanted a new rug. What's this on my rug? But he said, no. What is this? Paper. He said no, y'all. So we had to wrestle. But anywho, okay. So I'm just gonna give y'all a whole pan around real quick, and then I'll tell y'all where everything came from. Okay, y'all, let's start. If it's a little shaky, I apologize. That is shaky. Okay, let's start right here. Y'all have seen this setup a couple of times. I love this setup. This is one of my favorite setups. I love this basket. I thrifted that from, I think, Goodwill. These big old beautiful vases from Dirt Cheap. And the gold chargers is from Amazon. The placemats are from Hobby Lobby. The spoons and forks, Amazon. The plates are Dollar Tree and the thrift store. The little glasses, the thrift store. Okay, so this one right here came from when the mister and I went on a date. We did a wine tasting date. Okay, we got the Louis Vuitton book that came from one of the little monsters for Christmas. I think, yeah, Christmas. And the candle, I think that one is from hold on, I don't know where it's from. Oh, Big Lots. The little tray is sitting in was thrifted. This little thing right here is Hobby Lobby. Okay, then we have this picture frame right here. I think that came from Ross. I don't remember. I think it was Ross. Then you have the little candle holder, which don't have a candle in it. I keep saying I'm gonna buy a candle from Dollar Tree, but I keep forgetting to get it when I get to Dollar Tree. But that was Amazon, and it's got the matching. Y'all know the mister got to make his little entrance. It's got the little matching planter. Then y'all know the horse came from Home Goods. Then I don't remember where the clock came from. That was years ago. That little vase, that big vase, is thrifted. Those 3 crystal vases are from Dirt Cheap years ago. Then this thing, this little sign, I love this sign. See what it says? It came from, I think, Hobby Lobby. Then I got all my crystals right here. This is some of my crystals. I got so many, you guys. Then got these crystals. This stuff need to be dust. Don't pay it no mind because it really need to be dust. But these are all my expensive crystal vases and stuff I keep in here. These right here, I'm gonna take upstairs. I just got them sitting right here. But Yeah, I can show you guys this. I got this for the Mr. I think it was Christmas. Let me show y'all this cool thing right quick. It's pretty cool. This is the name of it. It's really cool. Let me move this vase over so I don't make a mess and break nothing. And I will be in my own feelings then. But this is what it looks like. And look, you guys. These are wine glasses. Actual wine glasses. So this is where you put all your alcohol at. And you just put it in there. Then you can put it in that one as well. I got this for the Mr.'s Man Cave. Once we get to our forever home, he can set these up. Now I gotta close it, y'all. Hold on, y'all. There we go. So let's put this back where it goes. Well, it actually don't go there, but that's where I had it at for right now. He got that for Christmas, and I just had that sitting down there. Those been sitting down there. And this is all my little fancy wine glasses, champagne glasses. Yeah, I kind of had it set up for Christmas, I think, and I let it stay somewhat. That's why these are right there, because they kind of go. So I kind of left it just like that. Took some of the stuff down so it wouldn't look so Christmassy, but they go with the room, y'all. And of course I haven't used none of them. That's why all of them still have the stickers on it, just as well as these. Y'all know you get these things during Christmas time. That's the only time they bring them out. So that's when I got them, different years during Christmas. But yeah, and then this little thing right here I've had for years, and it's super heavy, and it's a crystal as well. And where was the price? The price done faded off of it. But you guys, we don't drink like that, so guess what? It's never had no wine in it. No kind of alcohol has ever been in it, and I've had it for years. Then this big old crystal vase. See, all these match. This thing, these up here. Then we have, where the other ones at? Got this right here, these right here. All these go together. These right here, all those go together. I think I'm missing something, but it's crystals that I got from Dirt Cheap years ago in Mobile. One of them broke. The price ain't on the bottom of it, but they were expensive, and I think they came from like dealers or something. Oh yeah, see, they came from like dealers or somewhere. This one thing is $40, but of course I didn't spend $40. I think the vase got $150 at the bottom of it. I had two of these big bowls right here, but when we moved here, the movers broke it. But thank God I keep the prices at the bottom of it, because the Army paid me for it. See, it's got $100 on the bottom of it. But yeah, I got them from Dirt Cheap years ago, when Dirt Cheap used to have the good stuff, when Dirt Cheap had just came out. Then over here, these things came from the At Home store. I got one right here, and then one right here. Oh, that's where those other pictures came from too, you guys, the At Home store. Then you got this chair. I'm supposed to sit 6, but I always set it for just 4. But you got the planters right there again. And then this little tree, I think I got it from the thrift store as well. And y'all know the infamous mirror. If you haven't seen that video on my channel, please check it out. Sorry for being so wobbly. Please check it out. But this was a DIY. Isn't it cute? I love this mirror. It's gonna be heck trying to get it down when it's time to move, y'all, because it's heavy and it's huge. It is really, really huge. But okay, this base was thrifted. This thing came from Home Goods, and I think it's got a small one on the inside of it. Let's see. Uh-oh. How you open it? I gotta turn it backwards, Lord. Oh, I don't have the small one in here, but it's a small one that goes on the inside of it. I don't have it in here. Oh, you know what? It's in the living room. That's why I don't have it in here. It's in the living room. But we got this book. This came from Target. You see this on there. I don't know why they put the sticker on top of this paper. I'm scared I'm gonna rip the paper, so I didn't take it off. Then this came from Big Lots, and this little thing right here was thrifted, and it's gold. Isn't it pretty? And it came from the thrift store. And it's the actual, what is it called? The brass gold. Yeah. These two little lamps I've had for years. I just changed the, what's these things? I change these out every time I change my decor, and then I paint these a million times. It's been all colors. But yeah, this little wine holder came from Amazon, I think. Amazon or Walmart.com. One of the two. But yeah, that's all, y'all. This is it. This little picture is on the other side as well. That's what I was telling y'all. That came from the at-home store. These things up here were from Hobby Lobby, and we painted them. So you guys, that's all I have for this video. I finally showed y'all the dining room. Hopefully y'all like it. Comment below if you want to see another part of the house. My living room furniture is officially here, so that is done as well, so I can show y'all that too, because I know a lot of y'all here for my decor, a lot of y'all here for military stuff, and a lot of y'all here for my decor. So yeah, that's what we have so far. I didn't go too crazy in here like I usually do, because I'm kind of chill when it comes to the decor. I think I'm kind of fading out with it, because in my area the decor sucks, y'all. It sucks. So as far as me shopping for decor like I used to, I don't do it as much, y'all, because it sucks. The store sucks. So once we move, we got like a year left here. Once we move, I'll get back into all the whole decor things. But as I change out the house and change stuff, of course I'll share that with y'all. But this is the formal area. It's gonna be this way up until, let me think, probably the fall. Y'all know I change it with the seasons. So this is the summer, spring, summer. Then we go into the fall, and then yeah, that'll be it, y'all. I'm gonna change all this stuff out for the fall. We doing it right here, y'all. We doing it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if this is your first time watching. Hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay. Hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, it's time for me to go get some dinner. Bye.